Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be changing out this connector right here. It's a headlight connector. It's a H11. This is a Frieightliner Cascadia. It's not working anymore. Already tried replacing the actual bulb. That didn't work. Figure it has to be the connector itself, so go ahead and take that out. I got these from off of Amazon. Should be fairly easy to go ahead and take care of. Got this, well, I got this from Walmart, but go ahead and use one of these to go ahead and fix this up so I can go ahead and get out of here. So the way I'm putting this on is I'm gonna mirror exactly how this one went in. Make sure it's that one. So from this, it looks like the black is the negative side, just like this side. So that's how I'm gonna go about doing this. We'll cut both off at once. All right, so now that I finished crimping this up, I went ahead and already turned on the switch to make sure that this is working, and it is. You probably can't see it. Well, you might be able to see this one up here. That one's on, but you can see a little bit of light right there. Man, this joint is foggy as a mug. Boy, gotta do something about that. But either way, joint is done now. If you ain't got no multimeter, definitely would say you need to get you one, because this is how I was able to help figure this whole thing out. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully this one helps you out if you were having problems with your headlights as well.